Hey guys, we're back with another vlog. Yes, it's just gonna be like a day vlog. It's probably gonna be pretty boring. I do have to leave the house in a few hours. I need to go drop $20 off to my sister, so I'm gonna go do that. But this is my beat for the day. Don't mind my hair. I need to like fix my edges. But yeah, also look at my new nails. I did these like 2 or 3 days ago, I want to say, and I tried like a new style of doing acrylic. I wanted to see if acrylic worked with forms, and it does, because 8 out of 10 of these nails are acrylic nails that I did with forms. This one broke, so I just used a tip to fix it. I soaked off the acrylic and just started over. So as you can see, it has like a nice little curve, and as you can see, the other nails are like super straight. So then on this hand, my pinky broke. Yeah, it was my pinky that broke, so I soaked it off and started all over. And it is a bit straight, but it still has more of a curve than the other nails. And when I use forms, my nails come out like a tapered square type of shape. And yeah, it worked. Would I do it again? Probably not. I don't feel like they're strong enough using forms. Maybe I didn't prep them right. I didn't use base coat. So I'm thinking that's why they broke, is because I didn't use base coat. So yeah. I also did a set of press-on nails today. They are a purple matte design with a pair of white matte accent nails, and the bling on them is super cute. So let me just show you real quick. So this is what the press-on nails look like. They are a matte purple with super cute bling on them. There is a pair of accent nails. It's a white matte to go with the whole matte theme here. They also got a cute little simple rhinestone on them. And I just add Mylar to the package to make it look super cute and girly, and I love the way this set came out. This is for those people who like purple, but not too much purple where it looks, you know, crazy. So super freaking cute. So yeah, I am gonna try to do 2 more sets. I want to do like a glossy and matte red set, like a mix between glossy and matte, and then I want to do a dark burgundy-ish maroon set, but that set will be all glossy. So yeah, I'm trying to get some pre-designed set ready to go for the holidays, so that when people want to buy them, they can just buy them and I can ship them out. I do take requests, but because I work a full-time job, and you guys know I work 12-hour shifts 3 days in a row, and then I have 4 days off in a row. When I take requests, I can only fulfill those requests on my 4 days off, which kind of sucks. But again, this is my passion. I want to get licensed, and this is perfect practice for me. So I'm very dedicated and motivated to doing this on my days off. Even on the days I work, sometimes I try to do them. But yeah. Also, quick update on my lips. The blisters have finally gone away 2 to 3 days later. I can still feel them a little bit, but they're not like oozing stuff out or whatever. I did an emergency lipstick declutter. If you guys have not seen that yet, go check that video out. I will leave it linked up here or up here somewhere on the screen. There will be a little card. But yeah, that was ridiculous. Never want to use an expired lipstick product ever again, and I don't suggest that you try to use an expired lipstick product because it is disgusting. Ugh. Okay, so my child just woke up, so I'm gonna take him out his crib and throw him in the living room so he can play around, so I can start my cleaning for the day. I mean, it is super late. It is like 4:15, I want to say, in the afternoon or whatever, PM. So yeah, do you want to say hi to the vlog, Blakey Blake? Say hi. Say hi. I love you, baby. Hey, that's not nice. Give Mama 5. Yeah. Yeah. Got him watching Paw Patrol. That's what you hear in the background. He loves it. You mama's baby. This kid's hair grows so fast. We just got him a haircut and his hair's already growing back. So I'm gonna take him out and then throw him in the living room, and you guys can watch me like clean my room in speedy fast motion or whatever. So yeah. What are you doing? Me and his dad just got him this little pop-up tent, and like he loves it. It's a, what is it, PJ Masks? He loves it, but he just flips it over, so I don't know. Okay, so I'm pretty sure you can see me. Not really sure. Yeah. This has accumulated over the past few days, so I'm going to try to clean this up real quick. Yeah, I gotta still make my bed. Today was a lazy day for me. Don't come at me, sis. Don't come at me. But today was a super lazy day. You know, being a mom and working a full-time job and trying to go back to school at the same time, and my boyfriend working the days that I'm off is super hard. But you know, I take it step by step, and I just try to get through these days. So yeah, we're gonna go into fast motion now. Hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so I'm literally just not done cleaning. It took me about an hour to clean my room. That was disastrous. And the last part that I cleaned was the top of my dresser because my boyfriend called. So I was on the phone with him while I was cleaning. So that's the only part I didn't film, but I'm going to show you the like overall results of my room because it's in a much better state now. Okay, so what I started off with over here was clean clothes, and that's what you saw me do, was throw them on my bed and just fold them. I have to wash those brushes. Those are my dirty brushes, so don't mind that. Look how dirty they are. So yeah, my bed, I did that. Actually, I did my bed first, I think. I put my pillowcases on. I put my bed sheet on. I cleaned them over here because my boyfriend has a bad habit of leaving dishes in the room like a butthole. So I just cleaned up the dishes and the pizza boxes that was over here. I have unmatched socks in there. I'm still washing clothes, so I'm sure the other halves are somewhere else. Got some shoes in this little corner, but it's so nice and clean. I love it. And then I went over to my desk. Look at my temporary makeup storage because it's overflowing, so I can't wait to get my Alex 9 drawers for Christmas. But I cleaned up my desk. As you guys saw, it was a bit disastrous. I still need to wipe it down, but this is much better than what it was before, sis. And then I came over here and cleaned this up because it was a little bit all over the place. But that's that. That right there is my empties. I have a little box that I turned into a garbage because, you know, I try to save the world and recycle cardboard. And my other tripod is there for when I get a camera, if I ever get a camera. Honorable mention to the Morphe 3503 palette. I love this freaking palette. So, yeah, the only thing you didn't get to see me clean was up here, and I'm not done. I still need to like go through these little papers, but up here is not that bad. So, oh my god, I think this is the piece I need for my other tripod so I can use it. All right, so yeah, that's about it for this cleaning part. My phone's on 5%, so I'm gonna put it to charge, and I'm gonna start cooking dinner. And I'm making tacos, so I might show you the end result to my tacos. But yeah. So most likely when my boyfriend gets here, I'm gonna run out to drop the $20 off to my sister. So I will bring you guys with me for that. So I need to charge you up because you want like 5%, sis, and I'll bring you along with me for that. So I ended up making like homemade spaghettis for me. It's just pasta, meat, some tomato sauce, and mozzarella cheese on it. And I made the tacos for my boyfriend. So I'm gonna eat this and talk to you later. So I think I'm gonna end off this vlog here. I ate. I'm about to just jump in the shower, take my face off. My lipstick rubbed off because I just had spaghettis. As you can see, I got spaghetti sauce all over my lips. But yeah, it was a cute little short cleaning vlog type of thing. So if you liked it, drop a thumbs up, drop a comment down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you guys go. And I will see you guys in my next video. Hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you guys are. Peace.